Philips Soundbar T, a B8507. Main features are speaker maximum output power 600 watt, connectivity technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB optical, HDMI, audio output mode surround, mounting type tabletop, material resin, plastic, metal, model name T, a B850710, speaker type soundbar. Special feature is US port. This 3.1 channel soundbar offers 600 W of power and features a powerful wireless subwoofer, giving you impressive virtual surround sound no matter what you're watching or listening to. This soundbar contains two extra tweeter speakers at either end of the unit to broaden the audio and deliver you a clear separation of instruments and astounding sound presence. This soundbar utilizes Dolby Atmos technology to immerse you in waves of virtual 3D surround sound, offering breathtakingly realistic and immersive audio that flows above and around you, bringing the cinematic experience home. This compact soundbar is compatible with all your favorite voice assistant-enabled devices, such as Amazon, Google, and Apple for completely hands-free control.